how it get dry. You see that? Now it's time to cover our meat. Covering. Not any place without salt. Just rub it. If there's an open place like that, yes, cover it. Cover it. Hello, Becky. Look, this is the first day. You see the water, and we have some open spaces. First, I'm gonna get rid out of this water, and then I'm gonna add some salt and cover the meat all around everywhere with the salt and put it in the garage again. Give me a second to pour this water out to the faucet. Yes, now look, I take the water out, and I need some, I take the meat and the rest of the water, just like that. Okay. Good morning, Bertie. Here we go. As you see, only the side parts are open and some open spaces here and here. I'm gonna cover them and put it back again. I think that's I'm covering that one here with the remaining salt. Yes, we almost covered all the places again. Yes, no, it's okay. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning. Here we go. This is, I think this is the 4th day. We started on Monday. Yeah, it's Thursday. It's the 4th day. Look, some cracks over here and some gaps. Look at here. Now we're just going to cover these gaps and put it back again. And look, we're seeing the water is coming up day by day, very slowly, not as much as the first day, but as you see, it's still coming up. Okay, it's a long process. I will keep you updated. Bye bye. Hello. This is the 5th day, I think. If you count from Monday, yes, this is the 5th day. As you see, again some cracks over here. We are gonna just put some salt and cover them up and just turn it up. The top side is okay. Look, yeah, here are some gaps also, some cracks, and this side is okay. This side is, yeah, a little bit small here. So you see the water is coming up, look, like that, and here here. Yeah. I'm gonna cover them up and put it back again for tomorrow. Okay, bye bye. Hello Bertie. As you see, a lot of water come out, and I'm gonna get out from this. Sorry about it, Ahmed is talking with the phone. It's going to end, I think. Give me a second. Yeah, as you see the water here. Ahmed, sit, cause look, I'm gonna take this water out right now. Give me a second. Yeah, I poured the water in the faucet. Now I'm gonna put salt to the open places and keep it up again. Okay, bye bye. Hello Bertie, here we go again. As you see, I think this is the 8th day of this Pastirma, because we started last Monday. So we have still water coming out, and the gaps we are gonna cover these parts with the salt again, and we leave it the other side. There's no big gap, some cracks over here. I'm gonna cover them up, and some water, and I'm afraid it's gonna take around 13-15 days to get all the water out, but we're not in a rush. Okay, that's it. Bye bye. Hello. We have still water, you see, and some openings here, and some cracks. I'm gonna cover them up and get the water out. I think we should wait a couple of days more, because still the water, really amount of water coming out every day. Okay, see you, bye. Hello Bertie. As you see today, no water come out. You know, guys, it's not completely dry, but they were wet also before. Now, actually, from yesterday, I started to keep it in the refrigerator because my garage is so hot, inside is hot also. I don't want to risk, because it's a huge amount of meat. So I'm gonna wait for one day. So tomorrow I'm planning to remove all the salt and wash it and put it in a water and wait it for 24, maybe 36 hours in the water to take all the salt out, which absorbs inside. And then tomorrow also I'm going to prepare the Chemen, the outside covering. That's it. Bye bye. Hello Bertie. Yeah, you know that I let it dry and hang it in the garage because I didn't put it inside. It's a little bit hot because our heater is running. Now it's getting dry. Actually, I cannot say exact time for you because I need to check it out if it is going to dry enough on Friday. So I can let you know on Thursday maybe, but Friday is too soon. It's not dry enough. Maybe Sunday or Monday morning. I think we cannot make it on Friday. Hello Bertie. Now we're gonna check out your meat. Look, as you see, it is getting dry day by day. The color turns a little bit darker. It's going to be more dark. Yeah, look. I think it's gonna be possible to cover it with the Chemen on Monday, but I will let you know the day before Monday for the exact situation of the meat. Okay? Bye bye. See you.
Ring of Pastirma.
My baby is coming out. Look how it get dry. You see that? It is dry, but it's already also smooth. Ahmed, can you take it up, please? Here, it is ready. Now, we're going to cover our meat with chemen. Look.
Rub it on here, on there.